Welcome back, everyone, to Q&A Tuesday, where I answer some relevant questions over on Instagram, whether it's about something that I cook with, an appliance I have. And this week I'm coming at you. It seems like I get a lot of coffee questions. Maybe people know I just love coffee. This is about my French press. I've had this for a very long time. Let's see if I could zoom in. I think it's Bonjour. Let me see. Let me try to get this close. Oh, focus. Focus, camera. Let me see here. Let me try to readjust. Okay. Bonjour is the make or the name. Bonjour. Buongiorno. I don't know how you really say that. Bonjour. All I know is I love, love, love my French press. I had no problem with doing a video on this. It kind of breaks it up. It makes a really good cup of coffee. I do love it. The bottom has a screen on it, if you can see it. If you twist this, let's see if I can do it. If you twist this, it will open up. Hold on, let me grab this the right way. I want to be careful I don't get caught. There's the screen. If you can see it, they're open. You can see my finger in there. You can also close this. I never really do. I just always leave it open. But I'm going to bring you along on Q&A Tuesday, quickie little video, and show you how to make French press coffee. It has a little filter here so you can pour it out. This is the top part. It tells you right on the lid, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a while. It has right there. Can you see that? It says close. Okay. So they're pretty affordable. Most likely got this at Target, my favorite store, Target. Basically, I am just boiling some tea kettle water. You can use whatever type of coffee you want. French coffee, a Wawa coffee, Seattle's blend, espresso, whatever you like, you can use in this. Makes fantastic coffee, and I'm going to show you how. The tea kettle does not whistle, but I can hear that it's boiling. So let's make some French press coffee. Okay, I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I am just going to use some New England coffee. Forgot to turn the tea kettle off. I should probably do that right now. Okay, tea kettle off. But this is the coffee that I'm going to be using. Hopefully you can see. Okay, here's the coffee. It has to be ground. You can grind it yourself. I just usually put in... that smells so good. It depends on how dark you like it. You can go anywhere from 2 tablespoons to 4. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of coffee. Just like that. I will bring you in to show you. 2 tablespoons of coffee is in there. Doesn't look like much, but boy oh boy. It makes a great coffee. If I could stop getting tangled. Okay, so after you put whatever coffee of your choice in here, you now want to take your tea kettle carefully. It's hot. And you want to fill the pot up to the red line. Right about there. Bring it in closer so you can see. I filled it right to that red line right there. You can already see it's making a fabulous dark coffee. Hope you like your coffee dark. Now what you do is you take the lid and you put it on the side that doesn't have the vent where the name is. This is the screen part. where you can pour it out. We're going to stick this in here just like this. And you just let it sit. You can see that the top's up. If you want it super strong, you can leave it sit for quite a bit. So yeah, there really is not much to the French press, but it does make an amazing cup of coffee. Just for the sake of the video, I'm probably going to rush the process a little bit. I usually wait 5 minutes, and then what I do is I take the top of the handle and you slowly start, make sure that's on, just slowly start pushing it down. The longer you let it sit, the darker it will get. You could leave it like that. Then this is the part of the lid that is closed. You want to turn the lid to where you can now pour out a fresh cup of coffee. And let me show you in a mug. Nice and clean out of the dishwasher. And this is how French press coffee comes out. This is lighter, obviously. Well, a tiny bit lighter, not extremely. But you can get at least 2 cups of coffee out of this. Oops, almost spilled it. Actually, it's not as light as I thought it was going to be, even though I rushed it. It's still pretty dark, but if you let this sit, once you put your grinds in, if you let this sit after you pour the water in for like 5, maybe 8 minutes, it will get much, much darker than that. And that is pretty much it. I mean, I don't know what else to say. I love my French press. Super duper easy. You can then turn the lid to close to keep it hot. You can also do loose tea in here if you like. If you happen to grow your own chamomile and things like that, you can also use the French press for that as well. But that is the French press. I mean, it's just boiled water, whatever type of coffee that you like. You can just put it in there. As you can see, I thought the coffee was going to be dark because I usually let it sit 5 minutes. But as you can see, it is pretty black. So, do I recommend a French press? Absolutely. I use mine. Ouch. Should have grabbed it by the handle. Be careful because the glass is hot. I use mine a lot. I love it. It is absolutely worth buying. I, excuse me, don't remember how much I paid for this, but not much, to be honest with you. They have so many different French presses out there now, but this is quite a few years old. So that was the Q&A Tuesday today. Is, do I have a French press? What does it do? It just gives you like a stronger, darker coffee. It's amazing. It's super easy. Put whatever ground coffee in there that you like and just add your hot water. You will turn the lid to, the off part, which is where I have it. Remember, it would be up like this. Once you put your grinds and your water in there, you just want to push it down. And I don't know if you can see that. See if I could try to zoom in. But all the grounds are at the bottom of the pot. So the longer you let it sit, the darker it is, the richer, bold, and flavor it is. And that is pretty much it. So that is today's Q&A Tuesday. Is, do I have a French press pot? And I do. Like I said, it's old. Ballpark price, I don't think this was more than $20. $30 max. Most likely at Target, because that's my favorite store. And how do you use it? I just showed you. You can do 2 to 4 tablespoons of your favorite coffee in there. pour your hot water in there. I highly recommend you don't rush it like I did. Let it sit for 5, 8 minutes and pour yourself an amazing cup of coffee. Like I said, I rushed it. I didn't think that it was going to come out that dark. And you can imagine how dark this is, what it really would be if you let it sit for 5 minutes. So, do I recommend it? Yes. I give it a 10. I love my coffee out of the French press. It's fantastic. I hope that helped a few people that asked me about a French press. I don't know. I guess they think that I'm the coffee connoisseur. So, that is today's video. I hope that was helpful. There really is not much to it. It doesn't require a filter. It's dishwasher safe. You can wash it out with soap and water. Absolutely amazing. I love it. And yeah, I would definitely recommend. Let me move this coffee out of the way. I would definitely recommend the French press coffee machine. And I think this one is the Bonjour. So you can look on the video. I tried to zoom in on the name. And it's that simple. And it's amazing. It's a great cup of coffee. So I hope that was helpful to everyone. Today's Q&A was on the French press. And I give it a 10. I love it. I hope you love this video. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the like button. Share the video if you like. Helps the channel out greatly. I love you all. Keep the questions coming. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, everyone.